What's up YouTube? Poplar Mechanic here. Today we're in this backyard and we're going to be cutting down this compromised elm tree. We're going to have to work it a side at a time because we have to get the services dropped on both sides. So you can see it's a large multi-stem tree. We got a huge split in here which I had to come in a couple days ago and strap it up. It's sort of hard to see, but you'll see it. So that's supporting sort of that whole limb. So we got to start by getting that off. They've also lost multiple leads. So the thing's basically just falling apart. So we're gonna do the best we can. There might be a couple branches rubbing on the roof, but it is what it is. See you guys at the top. All right guys, so that's where my tie-in point is up there. Like I said, I had it set up the other day, but if you look at this wound was opening in the wind. When I was up here fixing this tree, it was just opening, and then I believe it's this one that wants to pull away. I have no other choice but to tie in, so I'm gonna put a ratchet strap from here to there, hopefully just keep it from moving, and we're gonna do that right now. So this branch I'm working on here is the one that the split branch is strapped to, and I'm just taking some weight off it because I feel more comfortable doing it this way. Good work. Yeah, she got hung up on that below branch. Nice run. Boy, we're gonna have to charge you a little extra for sweeping the roof and cleaning your heat truck. Yeah. So right now I'm actually on the split limb. You can see I had to redirect my SRT line to get out there because it was quite a wide span, and I'm rigging from a fairly weak point, but it had to be there so we could get it between the houses. Where's Kelatonin? Alright guys, so we're back on day 2 here. I got as much done as I could on the neighbor's side so we could get the line put back up, and now we have this service line dropped so we can work this side. Woo, that's a big piece of heavy elm. That's better. Almost had a little too much slack in that one, eh? Yeah, let her down when she gets past the house. Yeah, give her. Let her down, 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 down. Beauty, you're getting the hang of that too. You get. Me? Oh yeah, just watch the house. Boy. Mate, you're all right. Fuck. Oh, I think you got her. Yeah. Yeah, you're good, Eric. You just got a couple little ticklers there. Good on my rope here, Eric. That's the old, get her to the border. There, it was just a peel. Fucking dream come true, boys. That was close, Eric. Did you see that fucker creeping over me? It was clean, but you guys should be watching. Okay. Yeah. That was a dream, boys. Nice work, Eric. Good job, Eric. It's fine. We're just worried about that roof. Oh, shit. I wouldn't have done that, Eric. Is that going to come off of there? It might. Is it? Good job.
Right now we're just swinging some big blocks over to the rigging point, and I'm using this little trick. You can see here I've got a carabiner clip between the two parts of the line, and basically what this does is you'll see it work here. So we're going to push this block off, and then see that prevents it from swinging further than we want it to, and watch what this carabiner does. See, it drops down the line, and it's just a handy little trick, you know, so you're not swinging the pieces all over the place. It's just really fast and effective.
I felt that, man. Almost clipped my toe there, Eric, when it fell in the... What'd you have for wraps on that? 1.5. Perfect. Just fucking shattered that rigging line, hey?
Okay guys, so this is the final stem I'm working on right here. I finally moved my tie-in point, which served me well for the whole job. I'm gonna spare you the blocking down and just get to the last big block. We're going to use the double whip technique on it to get it down. And then basically what we end up having to do is, initially I thought we were leaving this stump a little bit higher, but the homeowner requested that it be brought to the ground, and we were going to initially use a crane on this job, but because the tree started splitting, we just didn't have time, because the only place the crane could sit was out front, and it was a really busy street, so we didn't really have time for a traffic plan or anything like that. And I didn't actually get the base falling. We did bank up some wood to make sure we didn't damage the retaining wall. He wasn't worried about the concrete. We did punch a pretty good size hole in there. I mean, the piece was huge. The skid steer couldn't lift it, so I estimated around 3,500 pounds, probably 4,000. But you'll see it. I got pictures of it. Okay guys, so here's that massive piece when it's finally on the ground. Like I said, I banked up some wood to save the retaining wall. I also chained this piece together, and the reason that I did that is because I've had these elms split in the past, and you definitely don't want to be underneath that weight when it's splitting, because I had to stand on that side to cut it. Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.